Hi, in this video, I will briefly share how I promote my skincare niche as an affiliate. So, how I do it? I created a Facebook group that I manage with my mom. We are still in the process of growing it. My audience are women in the late 30s and above. It is important that you know your target audience so you know how to market your products. Instead of posting on my personal Facebook page news feed, I use Facebook group. The good thing about Facebook group is that there is a feature that can help you schedule your content. What I do is I schedule the content that I will post, for example, 1 week, 2 weeks, or month. As you see in this example, I have here 4 scheduled posts because there is a free shipping promo until December 28th. So if you plan your content, just set and forget. And then if someone inquire, then we will help them. So my mom and I were really personally using these products, and the products really works for us. So we also want to share it to others. Skincare or health and beauty are top niches that are profitable, so you just need to educate your audience about your product. So if you have passion for skincare or health and beauty, I invite you to join me as an affiliate. Check out the link in the description of this video. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more content like this, and if you haven't read my free ebook guide, you can download it in the link below.